Today I will be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you how I make my clip-ins to match my hair. I recently today I bought this 5-star Indian Remy Wet and Wavy Jerry Curl with it's 100% human hair. That's what it looks like. And the reason why I got this hair is because it matches my curl pattern like way better than the other clip-ins that I had. So yeah, if you want to see how I make my curly clip-ins at home, keep on watching. What you want to do is per section you want to measure the size that you need to fit, you know, your head and, you know, the areas that you want to put it at. So now I'm going to take some more of my hair and just match it up so that I can get, as I you know, these tracks are kind of thin, so I need to double them up. And so now I'm going to just clip that off so that it'll be double width. So you're gonna need some needle and a thread. So I'm gonna go ahead and thread my needle. I don't need that much thread. And then of course you cut off the rest. Put that to the side. And next you're gonna try to get this as even as possible. Next you're gonna just tie a knot at the end of the thread. Yeah, like this, and bring it through. Okay, so this part is kind of important when doing your clip-ins. So right now I'm just gonna sew these together, push it through. And then you want to bring it through the thread so you can have a knot at the end. Just finish the rest. I'm just, like I said, I'm just sewing these two tracks together so that when I apply my clip-in, I won't have to be trying to sew 3 things all at once. I can just focus. Okay, so now I have the 2 tracks sewn together like so, and now all I have to do is add my clip-ins. So I think you can get these you can get these clip-ins from, you know, your local beauty supply store or Sally's or whatever. For me, I just cut these clip-ins off of my other curly clip-ins that I had to, you know, save money. So now I'm just gonna add just 2 clip-ins to this track because, you know, it's not long enough for like 3 of them. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So the thing is, when you're doing your clip-ins, you don't want it facing this way. You want it to open up the clip-in and make sure that the comb is facing this way, so that when you apply it to your hair, it just goes like, you know, into your hair like this, and then you can clip it down. So right now I'm just gonna, let me close it. I'm gonna add the clip-in, make sure, yep, okay. So I like to just put the needle through the hole first and then add it to the hair. But you want to make sure that it's, you know, lined up pretty good. You don't want the clip-in to be way over like this. You don't want it to be like that. You want it to be close to the track. Bring it through. Make sure. And now I'm going to go through the little grooves of the clip-in and attach it to the track. So Go right here. Go through the thread to get that knot at the end. Well, I mean, you know, actually, no, I don't want to do that with this. I just want like singles. So I'm just going to go through and just attach it. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's there. Okay, so I'm going to do the next one. And make sure you keep the track and the clip in together. There we go. Alright. We're getting there. So just continue. I'm just gonna continue this process until I get to towards the end of the clip-in. So if you can see the singles that I'm doing on the clip-in and well in the grooves and the clip-in, because so I'm gonna put it through this hole like I did over here. And like I said, make sure you line up with the tracks. And put it through. Pull it through so I can have a knot. There we go. Okay. Make sure it's on the side because it's just hard. Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna go back through it one more time. Just one more time. Make sure you're going through the tracks also. And just double that up one more time and we will be done with this first clip-in. But for the most part, that's, you know, how you add your clip-ins to, you know, whatever type of hair you want to use. You can do straight, curly, whatever. So towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I apply the clip-ins and how they just match my curl pattern. So I'm super excited to show you guys.